welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to do a bow in your hair. Sorry the thumbnail is different to the video just because I didn't take a proper video of the bow and I knew I already had a photo with the same result, so that's why I did that. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like this video. So let's get into it. So the first things first you want to do is you want to tie your hair up in a high ponytail. Get your tangle teaser or your paddle brush and just really stretch it up so the rest of your hair is super smooth and silky. The height of the ponytail is completely up to you. I prefer it a little bit higher. So then you want to get a little bit of hair and wrap it around the elastic band you used, just so it's not visible. This is optional, but of course it does make it look a lot more flawless and a little nicer. So then once you pin that out of the way, then your hair should be already split in half. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Add a load of back combing as much as you can. Add a little bit of hairspray, but not too much, so it's still easy enough to brush out. And then you just want to comb it out and just roll it along your fingers till you get a little roll at the bottom. And then this bit is just where you just kind of fix it to make it look like one half of a bow. And yeah, so you just want to make sure it's nice and smooth and brushed out and rolled nice and tightly, and stick in a load of pins so they make sure it stays in place and it doesn't fall out. I think in each side I put in about 5 pins just to really place it in. And so yeah, optional for yourself, but it's always better to put in more than less, and you just need to fix it to make it look how a desired bow looks. And I think once you see the end result, you'll see what I mean, so it's kind of hard to explain as we're going along. And then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side. Add in all the back combing, a little smidge of hairspray, and then you want to comb it out and roll it down. And you just want to continue going like that, just smoothing out the side that people will see. And I know on the other side I didn't smooth out completely, but I wasn't mad at the same time, so I just left it. And you can see you're starting to get the little bow effect now. And yeah, so then that's kind of the whole look. Is your bow, you just want to add in a few pins, put it into place. It is slightly different to the thumbnail because it took on a different day, but the effect is still the same. And I put in these little leopard print earrings that I think I got in H&M last year, and I really love them. I love my earrings. If you've seen any of my videos, I'm always putting them on. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I do daily hair videos all this month with some tips and tricks along the way as well for lifestyle. And yeah, see you in the next one.